The figure of Jesus Christ holds significant prominence not just within Christianity but also in Islam. While both religions differ in their theological understanding of Jesus, Islam views him as a revered prophet. Understanding the Islamic perspective on Jesus offers insights into the diverse religious beliefs present in the world today. Who is Jesus in Islam? In Islamic tradition, Jesus, known as Isa in Arabic, is considered one of the mightiest messengers of God. Muslims believe in his miraculous birth to the Virgin Mary, without a biological father, emphasizing the divine origin of Jesus. His story is prominently featured in the Quran, the Holy Book of Islam, in chapters such as Al-Imran, the family of Imran, and Maryam, Mary. In Islam, Jesus, known as Isa in Arabic, holds a profoundly revered position as one of the most esteemed prophets. While Islamic belief diverges from the Christian understanding of Jesus as the Son of God, Islam acknowledges him as a prophet sent by Allah, God, to guide humanity. Key aspects of Jesus' identity in Islam: prophet and messenger. Within Islamic teachings, Jesus is identified as a prophet and messenger of God. Similar to other revered figures like Moses, Abraham, and Muhammad, he is considered one of the chosen messengers to convey God's message to humanity. Miraculous birth. The Quran describes the miraculous birth of Jesus to the Virgin Mary. Maryam, in Arabic, Islamic belief holds that Mary conceived Jesus by the will of God, without a biological father, affirming his unique and divine origin. The Word of God and the Messiah. Jesus is regarded as the Word of God, Kalamatullah, and the Messiah, Al-Masih. His designation as the Messiah signifies his role as a chosen and anointed figure, ordained by God to fulfill a significant purpose. Teacher and miracle worker. Islamic teachings recognize Jesus as a miracle worker, performing various extraordinary acts by the permission and power of God. These miracles include healing the sick, raising the dead, and speaking eloquently from infancy, showcasing his divine connection. Ascension and Second Coming. Unlike the Christian belief in the crucifixion and resurrection of Jesus, Islam holds that Jesus was not crucified nor killed. Instead, he was raised to the heavens by God, where he resides and will return before the day of judgment. His second coming is anticipated to restore justice and peace on earth. Respected figure in Islam. Muslims hold Jesus in high regard, emphasizing his teachings of compassion, humility, and devotion to God. His moral teachings align with Islamic principles, fostering admiration and respect for his exemplary character. Distinct from Christian beliefs. One of the fundamental differences between Islamic and Christian perspectives on Jesus lies in the understanding of his divinity. While Christianity professes Jesus as the Son of God and part of the Holy Trinity, Islam staunchly upholds the oneness of God, Tawhid, and emphasizes that Jesus, as a prophet, is not divine but an honored servant of God. Significance of Jesus in Islam. Understanding Jesus in Islam illuminates the diversity of religious beliefs and emphasizes the unity of prophets across faiths. Muslims hold Jesus in high esteem as a significant prophet whose teachings resonate with the core values of Islam, promoting virtues of love, compassion, and devotion to God. In summary, within the framework of Islamic belief, Jesus is revered as a prophet, messenger, and a divinely chosen figure entrusted with guiding humanity towards the worship of the one God. His teachings and actions continue to inspire and unite people across various religious and cultural backgrounds.
If you found this video enjoyable, please consider liking and sharing it. Additionally, subscribing to this channel will ensure that you receive more updates in the future. Thank you.